To charge your Whoop charging cable, start by locating the USB end of the cable, which is used to connect to a power source. Next, find a compatible USB port, such as one on your computer, a wall adapter, or a USB charging hub. Insert the USB end of the Whoop charging cable into the USB port, making sure it is securely connected. Now, locate the other end of the Whoop charging cable, which is designed to connect to your Whoop device. This end typically has a small clip or connector that attaches to the Whoop sensor. Take the clip and slide it onto the Whoop sensor, ensuring it is properly aligned and secured. You may hear a slight click as it locks into place. With the cable connected to both the power source and your Whoop device, the charging process will begin. You can verify this by checking the lights on your Whoop device, which should indicate that it is charging. The charging time may vary depending on the level of depletion and the type of charger used. It is essential to use the official Whoop charging cable or a high-quality replacement to ensure safe and efficient charging. Avoid using damaged or low-quality cables, as they may cause damage to your device or pose a safety risk. Additionally, make sure to charge your Whoop device regularly to maintain its battery life and performance. To get the most out of your Whoop device, it is recommended to charge it when the battery level falls below 20%. This helps to prolong the lifespan of the battery and prevent deep discharges. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can keep your Whoop device charged and ready for use, allowing you to track your fitness and wellness goals with accuracy and precision.